Hi, Silicon Valley Tom here. Today I'm showing you my new AT&T Samsung Galaxy J7 2018. Got it for free. In fact, I paid only taxes on it, which was $24.97, but AT&T gave me a credit of $30, so it actually cost me negative $5.03. I'm also going to be showing you how to put the glass, tempered glass on it, and I'll show you the case. The case I bought for $4.99 on eBay, and the tempered glass I bought for $1.95, both from North American vendors that sell on eBay. So anyways, there's tempered glass. I'm going to show you the process of how to do it. Make sure that you can keep everything nice and clean. We're going to start out with the number 1 towelette. I'm showing you the tempered glass, so I'm going to take it out of the case. The main thing is that you clean both the phone, the sides, the top, the back of the phone, because it can have dust and all that stuff. You'll see right here how I'm going to do that. You're also going to clean with the towelette the tempered glass itself. And then afterwards, you're going to see I'm going to go over and do the same process with the number 2 towelette, which picks up lint and stuff like that. So here we go. Now I'm using the number 2 because I got it all nice and clean. It's picking up the dust. You just got to make sure you go in every angle of that face of the phone and on the sides as well a little bit. I'll be picking up the tempered glass. I'm going to do that a little bit. And because dust is all over the place. Now the other thing is, you're going to see how it's going to, I'm speeding up this video, but it does take me time to get it on there very exact, within thousandths evenness around the phone. As you can see, I'm putting it down. I haven't stuck it on yet. I always let one side fall down first. So one side, I'm teeing off that, centering off that one side. If it's centered on the one side of the phone over the speaker and things like that, it should fall down straight and be straight as well on the other side. Right now you're going to see the air gap closing up because the air is squeezing out, as you can see right there. Left side of the screen flowing to the right. And I only let it down because I knew I had it on there very perfectly. Now I'm going to use the dry cloth to push out any micro amounts of air that you can still see. Even though it's a tempered glass, it's going to have some air. You got to be careful. I'm speeding it up, I have to say that again, but it takes me time. I worked as a machinist, as an engineer, so I'm able to get things really precisely perfect. Some tempered glasses, if you don't put them on correctly, your phone case, it's like an OtterBox style one, will crimp down on the glass, and you won't be able to control the phone the way it is supposed to be with the touchscreen. So here's the wallet case. This is actually for my wife. She likes a wallet case. She likes to carry credit cards in there and ID and stuff like that, so that's what we bought her. This one, like I say, I paid $4.99 on eBay. If I would have ordered it from China, I could have got it for half price, but I don't want to wait that long. Right here, I'm comparing it to my J7 2017 model. They're the same size, but the way the camera is set up, it's a little bit different. There's some parts different on the inside of the phone as well, but otherwise, size-wise, it's exactly the same. You can see that. They would use, actually they wouldn't use the same case because the camera is a little bit different. And here I'm starting it up, booting it up. So that's it. Silicon Valley Tom, you have any questions? Let me know. Ask me any questions. Thank you. God bless. Bye.